Year 2020, month 11. This is a audio only video about thoughts on the Redmonk 2020 programming language rankings. This compares the popularity rank on Stack Overflow, which I think is a very overrated website, and the popularity rank on GitHub by number of projects, which I think is kind of inaccurate to the industry. I think the language rankings, according to the industry, would be manifested on things like, Indeed or Dice or other job sites. I might do a video on that later. But in terms of popularity among developers in general, this is very comparable to the TIOB list. It's two-dimensional, and up in the top right corner you see JavaScript, Java, Python, C#, PHP, C++, C, CSS, Objective-C and Swift, the Apple ecosystem, R statistics, Ruby, TypeScript, Scala. I'm kind of surprised to see Scala that high. PowerShell, Unix Shell, Go is actually pretty high here, and so is Perl, Kotlin, Haskell, and Lua and Rust. And Clojure's sort of getting out of that top corner, but it is right outside it. That is where Go and Rust really appear to be shining. I know Go has the killer app in Docker, and Rust is starting to have killer apps like parts of Discord are now made in Rust, parts of Firefox are, and I recently discovered the Ruffle project, which is a preservation project and emulation project for Adobe Flash. Newgrounds will actually be the killer app for that. Newgrounds are going to stay around and keep their old content around as best as they can with the Ruffle project, which is written in Rust. So this, I guess, kind of shows it's a little bit more open to newer stuff, Redmonk is, than TIOB. TIOB is going to scale towards what are people, learning about, whereas Redmonk is going to scale a little bit towards what do the pros really want to use? What's the cutting edge stuff? So my conclusion is that, I think Rust and Go have a future. But again, it's a slow process. You have to accumulate more killer apps, and you have to look at the job sites to really see what we're going to care about in the future. Thank you.